Everyone loves a party. So come on down to Tempo 1930, the jazz-inspired lounge and restaurant taking downtown Winter Haven by storm. We bring something a little different to the table, whether it's our soulful cooking style or the sounds of jazz and blues put on by live entertainment. You can enjoy some of our extravagant meals, such as chicken and biscuits Etouffe style, shrimp and grits, and sweet corn fritter nuggets with maple butter dipping sauce. If you're looking to kick your feet up, you can enjoy talented musicians and lounge about, transporting yourself back to the ages of speakeasies. You can also order yourself a cocktail and enjoy our open-air bar top looking over Central Park. Tempo 1930 is bringing back hot jazz and blues, cold drinks, and good food to downtown Winter Haven. Give us a call today at 863-875-5323 and make your reservation.